As the number of COVID-19 cases go up, doctors want you to be aware there are treatment options, in particular antiviral COVID pills.
They're easily accessible and can help keep you out of the hospital. Fox 9's Rose Schmidt joining us now. And so, Rose, there's a push at the state level to get the word out about these treatments, that they are available.
There is, Kelsey, and hospital leaders tell me the commissioner for the Minnesota Department of Health sent an email today asking them to make sure the COVID pills are available for everyone who is eligible. That's especially important amid the current increase in cases and hospitalizations.
They're 200 milligram capsules, but the dose is 4 of them at a time.
These COVID pills have been providing a dose of optimism
We want to get it to the people who need it as fast as we can.
for patients who come to CentraCare's pharmacy in St. Cloud.
We're happy with the process and happy that they can get treatment relatively quickly and easily.
It works, it's easy, and like I said, with the pharmacist, our insurance covers it.
After Marlene Gretsch's 93-year-old dad tested positive, she started feeling sick too last week.
A lot of coughing. Tuesday night, didn't really notice that much difference. Wednesday, still pretty tired, but by Thursday, I was out walking. I felt really good.
But at first, Marlene, like many others, didn't even know the pill was an option.
We just didn't do a great job of letting people know that we have plenty available now. For a while, there was a shortage, and we had to limit that.
There are 2 oral antivirals on the market that you could be prescribed. Dr. George Morris says the drugs can decrease the risk of being hospitalized by 60 to 80%.
We do not want to overwhelm the hospitals with COVID, as we've seen that happen before, and we know that that has a huge impact on the other healthcare needs that our community has.
You have to take the pills within 5 days of showing symptoms. So even if your symptoms appear mild at first, it's important to get tested as soon as possible. And if you do,
Go ahead and reach out to your health system or local pharmacy, and let's get you started on treatment.
when you talk to your doctor or a pharmacist, you can use an at-home test as proof that you are COVID positive. Now, Marlene tells me the only downside to taking the pill for her was it left an off taste in her mouth, but she feels that is a small price to pay to stay out of the hospital.
All right, thank you, Rose.